Now, some objectives on supply asked in model papers. Horizontal supply curve is parallel to the quantity axis, implies that elasticity of supply is, now horizontal supply curve which is parallel to quantity axis, that is x-axis, it implies that elasticity of supply is infinite. Okay. Supply of a commodity is a stock concept, flow concept, both stock and flow concept. Supply is a flow concept. What? Flow concept. If a fisherman must sell all his daily catch before it spoils for whatever price is offered, कोई भी प्राइस होगा वो पूरा माल बेच देगा. Must sell all his daily catch before it spoils. Once the fish are caught, the fisherman's price elasticity of supply for fresh fish is, it is zero elastic. कुछ भी भाव होगा बेचना ही पड़ेगा. Supply remains same irrespective of change in price. If as a result of 0% increase in price, 10% increase in price, quantity supply does not change. Supply की quantity change नहीं होती है. So supply की, it implies elasticity of supply is zero. Supply of goods and its price have positive relationship. As price rises, supply also rises. Expansion in supply of a good is caused by, expansion in supply of goods is caused by rise in the price of goods. When supply increases because of rise in price, it is called expansion. When supply increases for any other reason, goes up because of any other reason, it is called increase in supply. Here rise in price is a cause of expansion. Which one of the following has the lowest elasticity of supply? Now lowest elasticity of supply is in case of perishable goods, where supply is elasticity is zero. You will supply whatever quantity is available. सब बेच देंगे वही भाव में, whatever price is available. If the price of banana rises from 30 per dozen to 40 per dozen and supply increases from 240 per dozen to 300 per dozen, elasticity of supply is, now here we will do it by elasticity of supply, we will do it by average method. That is, how will you do it? This way. You have change in demand, change in supply upon percentage change in supply upon percentage change in price. Now see here, supply has increased by 60 by 240 plus 300 divided by 2, average. Okay, and price has increased by 10, 30 plus 40 upon 2. So this is 60 by 270 divided by 10 by 35. So it comes to 60 by 270 into 35 by 10. So see the answer, 60 into 35 divided by 270 divided by 10. So it is 0.77. So option D is the correct answer. A horizontal supply curve parallel to the quantity axis implies that supply, elastic supply is a horizontal supply curve parallel to the quantity axis. Same way, it is infinite supply. First objective we have done. other things remaining constant. Law of supply states that supply for a commodity is directly related to price. Price is not related to supply. As supply increases, price increases. Prices. Supply is not related to factors other than price. The answer is supply of a commodity is directly related to price. As supply rises, price rises नहीं होना चाहिए. As price rises, supply rises ये होना चाहिए. Which with a given supply curve, decrease in demand causes supply same होगा और decrease in demand क्या होगा? No change, decrease in price होगा. Overall decrease in price. Overall decrease in price and decrease in equilibrium quantity. ये कैसे होगा? Supply remains same. देखो ये है डिमांड कर्व और ये है सप्लाई कर्व. This is the price. O, P and OQ is the quantity. Now decrease in supply means ये हो गया. This is supply कर्व. Decrease in demand. Decrease in demand ये हो गया. ये D1 हो गया. तो अब सप्लाई कर्व तो ये है. तो क्या हो गया? प्राइस भी कम हो गई, क्वांटिटी भी कम हो गई. आंसर इज डिक्रीज इन इक्विलिब्रियम क्वांटिटी. ओके. Supply of a commodity is a flow concept. Okay, because how much you will give it, not how much you hold it. कितना है आपके पास वो छोड़ो, आप कितना उस प्राइस पे दोगे, that is supply. So that is why it is